Hi, and welcome to another installment of Math Basics, Mr. Besh. Today we're talking triangles. Today we're talking perimeter, and this is even great because we start to add a little bit of algebra involved in our perimeter. You see, this isn't just straightforward, hey, add up the sides, right? Yeah, sure, that's what we're going to do. That's what perimeter means, but we got to have a little algebra flair to this, okay? So, first thing that you need to know about this problem, all right? When I look at that picture and that triangle, there's something very important. See these slashes right here? This slash and this slash? Those slashes are indicating that these sides are the same. And now, if those sides are the same, this is an isosceles triangle, and this guy has to be 3x. Remember, when you calculate the perimeter, you need to know the value of every single side a shape has. So now they tell us in the math problem right here that the perimeter of this shape is 40. Now that word right there is simply means equals. So the first thing we're going to do is go around this triangle here and take each of these side measurements and combine the like terms. So what I got here is I got 3x's here, I got 3x's here, and I got 2x's here. Together, they combine together to make 8x's, and because they say the perimeter here is 40, it has to equal 40. Now, this is a one-step equation. To solve this one-step equation, all you have to do is take both sides of this equation and divide it by 8. Why? Because the opposite of multiplying something by 8 is dividing by 8. Remember what the equation said in the first place. 8x equals 40 means 8 times what number makes 40, and then what happens is we get the value of x, which is just simply 5. Now, once we know the value of x is 5, now we can find all of my side measurements by doing something referred to as substituting. So I'm going to clear this. I got my x value is equal to 5. Now, what the heck is this substituting you talk about? Here you go. Take this value that you have right here. 3x means 3 times the x value. Well, if the x value is 5, then 3 times 5 means that this side is going to be 15. Now, I know this side has to be the same thing, so we really don't have to do any work over there. And then last but not least, I got this guy. This guy's 2x, which means 2 times x. So this is going to come out to be simply just 10. And it's real easy to check your work to make sure you're doing these things correctly, because you know the perimeter's 40. Go on around here and add these up, 15, 15, and 10, and you will add up to make 40 as the perimeter. So, like I said, you're doing perimeter of a triangle. It's pretty darn simple to do. Any chance you get here, putting a little bit of algebra in it just makes it a little bit extra bonus, all right? Hope you found this both helpful and informative.